Hey beautiful people, beautiful souls, it's Ellena here and I hope we're all doing well and having a wonderful day. So in today's video I'm going to be offering you beautiful people a light language activation channeled from my heart and my soul to yours as always. So let's get started. Before I get started, first thing though, I just want to say thank you so much from my heart to yours. Thank you and so much gratitude for reaching over 200 subscribers. Awesome, and yeah, keep the support coming guys. Thank you so much. To get started, just make yourself feel comfortable and just take a deep breath of air, breathing in through the nose. And breathing out, releasing. And just remaining completely open and accepting to the light language that I'll be channeling and sending forth to you now. This light language will be for fear of opening up and really expressing yourself. So fear of opening up in a positive manner. Anything that's stopping you, may that be cleared with the assistance of this light language. Okay guys? In through the nose and breathing out. We've now finished today's light language activation channeled for you to help release any fears of positively opening up to other people or to yourself. If you've enjoyed this light language activation, give the video a big like, thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Support me on Patreon if you want to receive monthly personal light languages to you personally. If you want to get card readings, you can support me on Patreon. I do all that stuff personally in return for your support, guys. Shout out to all my patrons. You are amazing and your support is greatly appreciated. You want to find more of these light language videos, guys? check the description and you will find the light language playlist, and you can find all the other light languages I've got on the channel so far. And with that being said, guys, I wish you an absolutely wonderful rest of your day, sending much love and much peace your way. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.